Christmas is almost here. The air is filled with excitement, and the countdown has begun. It's that magical time of the year when we transform our homes into festive wonderlands. From twinkling lights to shiny ornaments, every little detail adds to the holiday spirit. It's time to make our homes merry and bright. Let's bring that festive cheer to every corner, starting with the outside. Imagine the joy on your neighbors' faces as they walk by your beautifully decorated home. The lights, the colors, the warmth. It all comes together to create a magical atmosphere. Let's start with our lampposts. Often overlooked, these can become the centerpiece of your outdoor decorations. With a little creativity, your lamppost can shine as bright as your Christmas tree. Imagine your lamppost all dressed up for Christmas. Twinkling lights, shiny ornaments. It's like a beacon of holiday cheer, guiding everyone to your festive home. The possibilities are endless, from classic red and green to a winter wonderland theme. It's a welcoming sight for everyone. As people stroll through the neighborhood, your decorated lamppost will stand out, spreading joy and warmth. It's a simple yet impactful way to share the holiday spirit with your community. This project is fun and easy for the whole family. Gather your loved ones, grab some decorations, and let the creativity flow. It's a wonderful way to spend quality time together and create lasting memories. Let's turn your lamppost into a Christmas wonderland. With garlands, lights, and ornaments, you can transform a simple lamppost into a festive masterpiece. The before and after will be truly magical. Are you ready to get started? Let's make some magic. Gather your supplies, put on some holiday music, and let the decorating begin. Your lamppost will be the talk of the town, and you'll have a blast creating it. Before we begin, let's gather our supplies. Here's what we need to make our holiday lamppost truly shine and stand out in the neighborhood. First, cleaning supplies. Let's give our lamppost a good scrub. It's important to start with a clean surface so that all our decorations stick well and look their best. A clean lamppost will also help the paint adhere better if you decide to give it a fresh coat. Next, weather-resistant paint, optional. A fresh coat can work wonders. If your lamppost is looking a bit worn out, a new layer of paint can make it look brand new. Choose a festive color to add an extra touch of holiday spirit. Measuring tape. We need to know how much garland to get. Measure the height and circumference of your lamppost to ensure you have enough garland to wrap around it completely. This will help avoid any last-minute trips to the store. Garland, natural or artificial. Pick your favorite. Whether you prefer the fresh scent of natural garland or the convenience of artificial, make sure it complements your overall holiday theme. You can even mix and match for a unique look. Zip ties or wire to secure the garland. These will help keep your garland in place even in windy weather. Make sure to choose ties or wire that blend in with your garland to keep the focus on your beautiful decorations. Lights, LED, are best for that magical glow. LED lights are energy efficient and come in a variety of colors and styles. Wrap them around your lamppost to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget to check that all the lights are working before you start decorating. Ornaments and bows. Let's add some personality. Choose ornaments and bows that reflect your personal style and holiday spirit. Mix different sizes and colors to create a visually appealing display. Secure them well so they stay in place throughout the season. Got everything? Great, now let's move on to the fun part. With all our supplies ready, we're set to transform our lamppost into a festive masterpiece. Stay tuned for the next steps where we'll show you how to put everything together beautifully. First things first, let's prep our lamppost. Clean it well and let it dry completely. Now the exciting part. Start at the top and wrap the lights around the post, securing them as you go. Next, it's garland time. Wrap it around, just like the lights, fluffing as you go. Secure it with zip ties. Look at that, your lamppost is already looking festive. Section 4. Beyond the bulb, jazzing up your lamppost base. Let's give that base some love too. Often we focus so much on the lights and the top of the lamppost that we forget about the base. But the base can be a wonderful canvas for adding extra holiday cheer. A great way to enhance your lamppost is by creating a festive base. This not only adds to the overall aesthetic but also makes your outdoor space feel more cohesive and inviting. A simple way to do this is to use a planter. Planters are versatile and can be easily customized to fit any theme or color scheme you have in mind. Choose one that complements your lamppost and overall Christmas decor. Whether you prefer a rustic look with wooden planters or a more modern feel with sleek metal ones, the choice is yours. Fill it with something festive. Think about what elements will bring the most joy and warmth to your space. You can use things like pine branches, pine cones, or even colorful ornaments. These items not only look great but also add texture and depth to your display. Don't forget to add some lights. Fairy lights or small LED bulbs can make your planter glow beautifully at night, adding an extra layer of magic to your holiday decorations. With just a little effort, you can transform the base of your lamppost into a stunning focal point that enhances the festive spirit of your home. Section 5. A symphony of styles. Personalizing your Christmas creation. Now for the best part, making it your own. Add ornaments that reflect your style. Think big snowflakes, sparkly stars, or even miniature presents. Secure them to your garland with wire or floral wire. Get creative, you can even add a big bow at the top. There are no limits to the Christmas magic you can create. Section 6. Share the sparkle, spread the joy. There you have it, your very own Christmas wonderland, starting right at your lamppost. I hope this project brings you and your family as much joy as it brings me. Merry Christmas, y'all. Now go out there and make your lamppost the most festive one on the block. Don't forget to share pictures of your creations.